Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Libera, and we are going to react to the song Carol of the Bells. This is our first time single take honest reaction during this special Christmas fest on Inoma. I hope all of you are having a good time. At this time, it is cold in Mumbai too. Not so much as so many other parts of the world may face, but it's good enough for us to be very pleasant physically and very pleasant mentally, spiritually too.
Yeah, it's the first time I believe we are listening to this particular artist, Libera, artist or band
Hopefully, yeah.
or group. First time we are ever listening to them, so it should be nice because this is a wonderful song. I've heard many
Carol
artists
of the
and
Bells?
bands cover this, groups too. Some a cappella, most with music. So I'm very interested in this new artist. They sound European,
Okay.
Libera, Spanish or something.
Okay.
By the sounds of it, or Portuguese. Let's listen and find out.
Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is their song. With joyful ring, more caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, all in the dale, telling their tale. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria, gloria. Hark how the bells all seem to say, Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is their song. With joyful ring, more caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, all in a dance, telling their tale. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria, gloria. Hark how the bells all seem to say, Christmas is here, bringing good cheer. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, all in a dale, telling their tale. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Hark how the bells all seem to say, Christmas is here, bringing good cheer. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, all in a dale, telling their tale. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. All on this end, all without end, measure to everyone. Hark how the bells all seem to say, Gloria, gloria. Ding dong, that is their song.
Wow. I can't believe what we just heard. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I can't believe. Wow, we watched the video as well, though we can't post it online due to licensing reasons.
Yeah.
Oh, this was the best I've heard this Christmas for sure. Wow, and I never would have expected it would be like our kids' age. These were voices of angels.
Yeah.
If angels could sing, and if angels were singing, this was what they would probably
Well,
sound
they
like.
are angels, aren't they?
They were so pure, so raw, so on note. Wow. I mean, I can name 100, maybe 500 musicians, singers who could take a lesson or two from these
Yeah,
boys.
yeah.
These boys, these little boys, whew, this was like an hair-raising experience. I don't know if my hair's standing. Is it? Wow, this was hair-raising. Literally hair-raising. What are your thoughts, Kirti? That's what matters more.
This is what is called symphony. There are so many artists, as you said, you can name 500, I can also add 500 maybe to it, who are adults very well known globally, but they really lack something.
Basic singing skills.
I would
Like
go a
these
little
boys.
further. For me, whether any art form, it requires basic skills and talent, but more than that, it also requires a lot of passion and a lot of heart. And these, young innocent children have it. That is what they have different from other people. That is exactly, they don't have greed in their mind that this is what I'm doing and this is how popular this will make me. They don't have agendas. They don't have that corrupted mind that why I'm doing it. They do it purely because they want to do it. And this is how it sounds. There is nothing better than listening to young, innocent children like this singing carols around Christmas time or even other time of the year. It makes you feel fulfilled in your life, because this is the best that you can get to if you want to listen to something good.
Yeah, I never heard these boys before today, but after today, I'm definitely going to invest time at least in listening to a lot of them.
Like that.
And wow, I hope one day I can be, if they do concerts and if they come this part of the world, or if I'm in a part of the world where they are, I would love to watch them live. I mean, this is special. What we heard, what we saw, what we heard was special. You don't get
No
you don't get
distraction tactics and this and that. It was pure singing.
no. It was straightforward.
Yeah.
It was blunt. And thanks to all of you guys for helping us be honest, straightforward, blunt, even at times sincere, keeping our reactions totally unscripted, pure, raw, spontaneous, and impromptu. This is the reason we are here. We are here for music like this. It makes our life better. It makes us feel so uplifted. It makes me want to sing right now, but I won't, because it's after 1 a.m. in Mumbai. It's already Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas night. So I don't want to disturb our neighbors, though most of them seem to be awake still.
Yeah.
And are having a great time. We live in a part of
It's
Mumbai
buzzing.
where there are a lot of people celebrating Christmas. So we are not the only ones spending time with you or up at this hour.
Everyone
But
seems to be awake.
definitely with my opera, I think I will be disturbing lots of people. And maybe some of you too, especially the guy in that corner and that guy in that corner. And both of you, I hope you have a really good Christmas compared to earlier years. I really hope you have a great Christmas. Yeah, this was special. That's it for this one. Thank you for helping us be here and continue being as honest as we have been.